Hey everybody, Mr. Seal here. I'm just gonna explain a little bit about today's AMI assignment for day 16. Today's assignment is all about scientific classification. So if you go to the Google Doc, it has a short reading for us and then our question. Okay, so the reading starts off with scientists use scientific classification to sort the world, but there are many other ways of sorting. One way we can sort things is by classifying them as living or non-living. This ties back to one of our earlier assignments. We can think about all the different ways that scientists classify different things that we know about, like animals, into different kingdoms, like birds and fish, mammals, reptiles. That's just an example of how scientists classify or put into groups. So this one is about two groups, living things and non-living things, and it gives us a little explanation of what living things are. Living things use energy. They move or change shape. They take in food and get rid of waste and reproduce. Whether we're looking at a microscopic bacteria or a huge elephant, all living organisms are made of building blocks called cells. Then tells us a little bit about non-living things. Non-living things do not move by themselves, grow, or reproduce. Think about rocks. They exist in nature or are made by living things, like humans. There are three groups of non-living things. They are called solids, liquids, and gases. We know those as states of matter. Water is an example of a liquid, rock is a solid, and oxygen is an example of gas. Of course, all of these things can exist in any of those states. Cars, pencils, and air are examples of non-living things. Non-living things are not made of cells. However, both living and non-living things are made of atoms. All right. So the question for today, we have a little scenario. In this scenario, we have a science class, and they were given a set of cards and asked to sort the cards into two groups. Here are all of our cards. We have the leaf of a plant, horse's muscle, like muscle tissue, the cap of a mushroom, a baby elephant, seed of a bean plant, and blood cells. They also had the cards a spoonful of salt, a piece of metal, a diamond necklace, protein like you would see at a health food store, and sugar cubes and air. So the students were asked to put these cards to sort them. They were all mixed up. They were asked to sort them into two groups. So this is how they grouped them. They put them into group A and group B. So these are all of the cards they put in to group A, the left column, and the right column is all the cards they chose to put into group B. Now your task is to choose the statement of these statements over here that you think best describes the two groups. Then you need to explain your answer and defend your answer. Why did you choose that answer? And how do you know that that's the correct answer? Okay, so option A that you might choose is both groups are made of cells. B, both groups are made of atoms. C, group A is made of cells. Group B is made of atoms. D, group A is made of cells and atoms. Group B is made up of atoms. E, some things in group A are made up of cells and some things in group B are made up of atoms. Or F, group A and group B are made up of both cells and atoms. Your task is to choose the best answer, which answer A, B, C, D, E, or F you think is the best, and then explain why you chose it and defend it. Why is that the best answer? Good luck. Don't forget to email me if you have any questions or post them directly to Google Classroom. Look forward to hearing how you do and seeing how you do. I'll be back again tomorrow with AMI Day 17. Good luck.